The Maker Mini lets you engrave whatever you want, whenever you want, wherever you want. You can now have your own portable do-it-yourself laser engraver so you can etch any design you can think of. The Maker Mini allows you to customize everyday items such as keychains, wallets, phone cases, shot glasses, and many more everyday items that you can keep for yourself or give to a family or friend. Imagine the look on their face when they receive a personalized gift made from your heart with your very own creative design. It's quick and easy to set up and even easier to use. Just plug it in your computer or laptop's USB port, install the provided software, drag and drop your image in, and start engraving right away. It's built with a unique high-quality metal frame that's extremely compact and portable, weighing under 4 pounds and is smaller than a basketball. You can even power it using a portable power bank or charger. It uses a professional high-power 1000 milliwatt laser operating at 6,500 rotational speeds with cutting-edge uniform striking technology so that you can quickly and precisely engrave a long-lasting perfect image, each and every time. It's suitable on a variety of surfaces such as wood, bamboo, glass, leather, metal, rubber, and much more. There's no expensive equipment needed, only your design, the Maker Mini, and your computer, making it perfect for personal use and safe for beginners. It comes pre-assembled and ready to go. Protective laser goggles are included and the software is provided, so you'll be up and running in a matter of minutes. Ready to unleash your inner artist and creativity? Long gone are the days of needing expensive and bulky laser equipment just to engrave some designs. With the Maker Mini, you'll now have your very own portable laser engraver so you can turn on that creative outlet. Get it today so you can start making cool personalized stuff for yourself and your family and friends. It's available now only at Gadget City.